Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take our prepped helmet from the previous episode. We've got some primer on it. We're going to do some finishing touches of this, and I'm going to show you guys just how to take it from that to this shiny reflective chrome look to make it look just like Beskar. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so what I actually did there was I did one more pass with the Mando. There were just a few spots that were a little too deep that I wasn't really happy with, especially here in the ridge line and just a couple of spots on top. So what we're going to do now is we're going to hit this with some filler primer, and then I'll be back to tell you what's next. So the helmet's all primed up, guys. Got a nice dusting on there. So we're just gonna take this, we're gonna wet sand it all the way from a 400 grit to a 1500 grit. And we're just gonna hit the whole helmet until it's buttery smooth, and then we'll get to painting. So we're back, we've let our paint dry overnight. It's nice, glossy black, and now it's time finally to do the graphite rub. And all we're gonna do with this is we're gonna take some cotton balls and some Q-tips. We're gonna dip it in our graphite powder, and we're just gonna slowly run it along the top of the helmet and the sides of the helmet, and then use the Q-tips for all the detail pieces. And we're just gonna slowly rub it in there, and it'll give it that metallic look. Okay, so we're about halfway done with the graphite rub. I left the left side completely untouched so far, so you guys can really tell the difference and how much it shines with that graphite in there versus just the straight black, and how reflective it is on that. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe. It'd mean a lot to me. Catch you next time.